Hi, Edward here. Working with Adobe's Audition from the Creative Cloud software. It's some pretty awesome stuff. I had this idea the other night. Well, actually, I had the idea a long time ago. A ringtone for my phone. The standard stuff just isn't good enough. So, last night I got to messing around and trying it. And it turned out pretty cool. So I'm going to place a call to my phone and so hopefully you'll be able to hear this. Yeah. So here we go. It's me, yeah, so using the Cylons from Battlestar Galactica, being the nerd I am. This is what happens when we have too much time on our hands, which is a rare thing. It is. So yeah, it's cool. Looking forward to getting phone calls. I wish people would call me. Well, I get the business calls, but yeah, it's pretty cool. See ya.